Remove the Girard orange Duraseal ring gasket or a common white Teflon ring gasket. Proceed to detach the hydraulic cylinder from the valve body. Utilize a wrench to carefully remove the hydraulic cylinder assembly from the housing. Unscrew the poppet from the piston rod and remove the lock washer from the piston rod. Set aside. Remove the cylinder cap by applying force. Using retaining ring pliers, remove the internal retaining ring from the cylinder housing. Remove the lower hydraulic seal with a pick tool, being cautious not to damage the groove. Extract the cylinder housing O-ring from the cylinder assembly. Remove the O-ring from the cylinder cap. Cut to remove the upper hydraulic seal from the piston rod. Finally, remove the O-ring from the poppet. Disassembly is now complete. Install the O-ring into the cylinder assembly. Install the O-ring onto the poppet. Install the O-ring into the cylinder cap. Install the small O-ring into the bottom of the cylinder assembly. Install the lower hydraulic seal using a repair tool. Using retaining ring pliers, insert the internal retaining ring into the cylinder assembly. Install the upper hydraulic seal onto the piston rod using the GU 9000 GVRA hydraulic assembly tool. Insert the Teflon wiper into the center of the hole on the cylinder body. Reinstall the piston rod into the cylinder assembly by applying some pressure until it is all the way pushed through. Screw the poppet into the cylinder assembly. Insert the spring and screw on the cylinder cap. Tighten to secure. Screw the cylinder assembly back into the housing. Install the 3-inch orange Duraseal ring gasket. Reassembly is now complete.